Good morning everyone, myself Preshma Kure and today we are going to see standard 4th subject EVS part 1 lesson number 2, the interrelationship between the living things. First part we have C. Now we are going to see the second part. Okay, do you know in a great ride on buffalo's back? When a buffalo is grazing in a grassy area, you are very likely to see an egret riding on its back. What could be the reason for that? See, when buffalo is grazing, means buffalo is eating the grass in grassy area, at that time we see that egret riding on its back. Egret riding means what? Some birds are sitting on buffalo's back. What is the reason for it? A certain kind of egret feed on different kind of insects. Grass is full of all kind of insects, but because they are hidden in the grass, the egret cannot see them and catch them. See, there are so many kinds of insect in the grass, and when buffalo is eating the grass, at that time the insects are flying or coming out from the grass, and when they are sitting in the grass, they are hidden in the grass and egret cannot see them and catch them. So as the buffalo treads on the grass, it frightens the insect which fly out of the grass. The egret on the buffalo's back make no mistake in swooping down to catch and eat them up. And when buffalo is eating the grass, at that time all the insects which were hidden in the grass, they came out and they were flying, and at the same time the egret can catch them and eat them. So when buffalo is grazing in grassy area, we are likely to see an egret riding on its back. Okay, seasonal changes in living things. Find out what is the Marathi name for mango blossom. When do mango tree blossom? Every year. Means when the mango tree blossoms every year, मतलब मैंगो ट्री पे कब मैंगोज आने से पहले जो छोटे छोटे फूल आते हैं वो कब आते हैं? डज द बनियन हैव लीव्स थ्रू आउट द ईयर? बनियन ट्री हैव द लीव्स थ्रू आउट द ईयर. पूरे साल बनियन ट्री पे लीव्स रहते हैं क्या? वी सी फ्रॉग एवरीवेयर ड्यूरिंग द रेन. वेयर डू दे डिसअपियर इन द समर? हम बारिश में हर जगह पे फ्रॉग देखते हैं, लेकिन जब समर सीज़न होता है तो वह कहाँ पे जाते हैं? विच इज़ द सीज़न फॉर जामुन्स? जामुन्स कब आते हैं? दीज आर द सीजनल चेंजेस एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड द आंसर टू दीज क्वेश्चंस. आस्क टू योर पेरेंट्स और यू मे टेक द हेल्प ऑफ गूगल. We have 3 seasons: summer, the rainy season and the winter. It is very hot in summer. We wear cotton clothes and drink plenty of water. See, when there is summer season, it is very hot and we drink plenty of water. In the rainy season, we use umbrella or different kinds of raincoat and hoods to avoid getting wet in the rain. See, when there is rainy season, we use umbrella or raincoats or gum boots to avoid getting wet in the rain. मतलब हम भीगने से बचने के लिए रेनकोट, गम बूट्स, अम्ब्रेलाज यूज़ करते हैं. इन विंटर वी वेयर वूलन एंड अदर वार्म क्लोथ टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर सेल्फ फ्रॉम कोल्ड. कोल्ड से बचने के लिए हम विंटर में जो वूलन क्लोथ्स रहते हैं या फिर वार्म क्लोथ्स रहते हैं वो यूज़ करते हैं, जिससे हमें गर्माहट महसूस हो. Just as the 3 seasons affect us, they affect all other living things too. We see these changes taking place in the living world every year after year. Means as 3 seasons affect us, like that these 3 seasons affect all the living things. Winter in Maharashtra is also called the season of Pongal, that is the falling of leaves. That is because many trees shed their leaves in the winter. See, in the winter season, many trees shed their leaves in winter. The cost of many furry animals become thicker in winter. This keeps them warm in the cold season. Such growth of hair is especially noticeable in animals like sheep and some type of goat and rabbit. See the furry animals, and the furry animals get thicker in the winter. Their coats get thicker in the winter. मतलब उनके ऊपर जो स्किन रहती है वो थिक होती है, या फिर जो फर रहता है वो थिक होता है. इसी वजह से वो वार्म महसूस करते हैं कोल्ड सीजन में. उसमें कौन आता है तो शीप, गोट एंड रैबिट. द एंड ऑफ विंटर सीजन इज ऑल्सो टाइम for the mango tree to start blossoming. These blossoms are called mohar in Marathi. See, at the end of winter season, the mango tree blossoms and it is called mohar in Marathi. At the close of month of February, it become warmer and by March we begin to feel the heat. It's time for summer, and with the beginning of March we feel the heat and it is time for summer. In this season, many trees get new leaves. Forests appear to have taken on the copper color because these leaves are reddish and shiny while they are tender. Their color changes to green as the leaves grow bigger. The call of the koel is heard in many places. See, इन दिस सीज़न मेनी ट्रीज गेट न्यू लीव्स. मतलब जब समर स्टार्ट होता है तो बहुत सारे पेड़ पे नए लीव्स आते हैं, और ये ऐसे जैसे लगता है कॉपर कलर के जैसे लगता है, क्योंकि जब वो लीव्स छोटे होते हैं तो रेडिश कॉपर कलर में रहते हैं, और जैसे जैसे वो बढ़ते जाते हैं वैसे वैसे उनका कलर ग्रीन होता जाता है. और इसी सीज़न में हमें कोयल की आवाज़ भी, मीठी आवाज़ सुनाई देती है. इन समर द मार्केट इज़ फुल ऑफ मैंगो एंड वाटरमेलन फॉर अस टू बाय. दिस इज़ द सीजन फॉर दीज फ्रूट्स. ऑल्दो मैंगो ट्री ग्रो ऑल ओवर महाराष्ट्र, द कोकण रीजन इज़ पर्टिकुलरली फेमस फॉर इट्स मैंगोज. सी, इन समर सीजन वी गेट फुल ऑफ मैंगोज एंड वाटरमेलन, and the Konkan region is famous for only mangoes. It is also the season for cashew nut. The red yellow cashew apples can be seen growing on the cashew tree on the hillside in the Konkan region. Konkan region में जो hillside area रहता है वहाँ हमें cashew trees दिखाई देते. cashew मतलब काजू. In June, black cloud make their appearance. The rainy season is short way away. This is time we begin to get jackfruit, jamun and karvans. See, when the June started, at that time we can see the black cloud in the sky, and at that time we get the fruits like jackfruit, jamun and karvand. The seed of grass and other plants lie scattered all over the ground. They sprout and gets growing. As soon as it begins to rain, it becomes green everywhere. This greenery is soothing after the hot summer months. Sometimes we can even see the rainbow with the 7 colors in the sky. See, जो ग्रास या फिर अदर प्लांट्स के जो सीड्स रहते हैं वो सब जगह पे फैले हुए रहते हैं या फिर स्कैटर हुए रहते हैं, और वो जो रेनी सीज़न आता है तो उसे स्प्राउट होके वो बढ़ने लगते हैं, और इस वजह से हर जगह पे हमें ग्रीनरी दिखाई देती है. हॉट समर के बाद ये ग्रीनरी हमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है. As it becomes wet every day, everywhere frog appear. We also hear the loud noise of frog croaking all together. See, when the rainy season start, at that time we can see frog everywhere. For us, the rainy season is season of crop to grow in the field. Farmers work hard in the field, and when rainy season start, at that time crops grow in the field. Farmer work so hard. As the rainy season ends, it is time for winter to make a comeback. It gets colder and colder. This is not good for the frog. They go deep under the ground for the long period of slumber which lasts for 7 or 8 months. See, when rainy season ends, at that time frog go in the deeper in the ground, and after 7 months they come back again when rainy season starts. Okay, what we have learned, the need of all living things are met in the environment. There are differences in the needs of different living things. हर एक living things के जो नीड्स है उसमें डिफरेंस रह सकते हैं. सम एडिबल Animals like monkey, squirrel live in tree and feed on them. Their dropping help tree to grow in new places. Some birds build their nest in tree. जो एनिमल्स ट्री पे रहते हैं उनकी वजह से जो सीड्स है वो यहाँ वहाँ बिखर जाते हैं और इस वजह से नए ट्रीज तैयार होते हैं या फिर नए ट्रीज ग्रो करते हैं. ईच टाइप ऑफ लिविंग थिंग्स थ्रिव्स वेयर all its needs are fulfilled. For example, tiger lives in grassland and aquatic plants live in water. See, हर एक लिविंग थिंग्स या फिर लिविंग एनिमल जो है जहाँ पे उसकी सारी ज़रूरतें पूरी होती है वहीं पे वो रहता है. Changes in the summer season affect living things. In winter, tree shades leaves and animals' coat grow thicker. At the start of summer, tree gets new leaves. In rainy season, it becomes green all around. Frog appear and crop grow in the field. See, हर एक सीज़न में चेंजेस दिखाई देते हैं हर एनिमल्स में या फिर लिविंग थिंग्स में. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर द एनवायरमेंट चेंजेस विद द सीजन. लिविंग थिंग्स हैव टू अडॉप्ट देमसेल्फ टू दोज चेंजेस. सी, एनवायरमेंट में सीज़न के अनुसार चेंजेस होते हैं और लिविंग थिंग्स को उन चेंजेस को एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ता है. ओके स्टूडेंट, दिस वाज आवर सेकेंड लेसन. राइट द exercise in nice and good handwriting. Keep your notebook neat and clean.